Hi, in this video I'm going to connect to the backend of the ServiceNow API and pull a specific ticket information details and also loop through the tickets. By connecting to the API, you can create, update, delete, or you can bulk update any number of tickets based on your requirement. I logged into my ServiceNow Developer Edition, which is free, and you can see all the tickets here. There are about 67 of them. Okay, I'm opening one ticket. You can see here the ticket number, caller information, and opened at what time, etc. And then what is the urgency state. The next, we are going to launch VS Code and write some Python code to pull this data. I'm in VS Code now. I'm going to create a new file. Right click, new file. Name of the file is connectsnowapi.py. Okay, and I'm going to go to my GitHub account. I'm already logged into my GitHub. I'm going to this file, copy this file, and I'm going to give the link on the description so that you can copy the code. Let me first run the code and get the feel for how it works. Later, I'm going to explain the code. I'm going to click here to run the code. Okay, if you type here exit or quit, it's going to quit the code. Okay, enter to see all the incidents or type a specific incident number to see the details. I'm going to go to my ServiceNow. Here I'm going to take this ticket information, copy, and then I'm going to pull this information, caller ID, opened, urgency state from the code. Okay, I'm going to pull these information from the code. You can see here the short description is unable to access the folder. The state is 1, urgency is 2, opened at, and the caller the information. The same information, I'm pulling it through connecting through the API. And what happens if I don't type anything and then hit enter? If you just if you want to see all the incidents and then just don't type anything and just hit enter. And it loops through all these incidents and then getting all the incidents and the description and the state, urgency, opened, caller, etc. Let me type quit to exit the loop. Let me expand to see all the code. The handle main is the function, the entry point for the script. Let us go and take a look. This is the handle main function, and before that it loads all this information, and I have required libraries, and then this is for environmental variable, load the environmental variable, and the password I have it on my environmental variable, the username. This is my dev instance for my ServiceNow developer, and you can see here dev 290401. I got it from here. Okay, dev 290401. This is how I got the developer instance. This is the base URL, which is nothing but the entry point with the ServiceNow API, and I'm passing the instance here. Now I'm going to go through briefly how the functions work. Okay, this function, so basically it makes connection to the ServiceNow API. The fetch incident function, so basically it pulls the incident information. If the user types in the beginning of the script exit, that means I'm exit from the loop. Otherwise, the script comes here. If the user input something like the ticket number, incident number, I take the incident number and then I comes here and I pull the only that specific the incident number information. Okay, else, and I'm going to get all the incident information, okay, and then once I got the incident info list, I'm going to loop through this the incident and get the short description, state, urgency, opened, caller ID, and number, etc. And finally, I'm printing those information and here. Okay, if there's no incident available, then I'm printing it here, incident not found. So I'm going to run the script one more time. So I'm going to go to this ticket information, copy, paste here, and then hit enter. So I'm getting only one specific information about that incident, and then short description, state, urgency, open, and call information. Suppose if I don't type anything and then hit enter, it's going to loop through all these incidents. I have about how many incidents here? I have about 67 incidents. It should loop through all this incident. Finally, I'm going to type quit to exit the loop. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day.